Hello students, today we are going to discuss the preparation of aldehydes and ketones. How aldehydes and ketones prepared. First one is from acid chlorides or acyl chlorides. So this method is for the preparation of aldehydes. So aldehydes can be prepared from acid chlorides or acyl chlorides. So let us write the general equation, that is RCOCl. So that is a general formula for acid chloride or acyl chloride, RCOCl, plus H2, that means addition of hydrogen. So it's a reduction reaction in presence of palladium supported by barium sulfate. So this is the reagent. So addition of hydrogen in presence of palladium and barium sulfate. So this will act as a reducing agent. So a reduction reaction takes place and HCl will be eliminated here and we will get the corresponding aldehyde. So in this case a reduction reaction takes place. So addition of hydrogen, that is reduction. So hydrogen with palladium and barium sulfate. This is the reagent. From acid chlorides, aldehyde will be formed. So this is acid chloride or acyl chloride. Acid chloride on reduction gives aldehyde. So this is a named reaction, and this named reaction is an important named reaction which is called Rosenmundt reduction. Rosenmundt reduction. So this is a reduction reaction where H2PdBaSO4 that acts as the reducing agent. So this is a general equation for the reaction of Rosenmundt reduction. Now let us write an example. So instead of RCOCl we can write CH3COCl. This is actually acyl chloride. This is acyl chloride or acetyl chloride. Acyl chloride or acetyl chloride reacts with H2PdBaSO4, that is a reagent. So a reduction reaction takes place, hydrogen is added and HCl will be eliminated and we will get the corresponding aldehyde. So this is acetaldehyde. So this is an example of Rosenmundt reduction. So acyl chloride is taken and we will get acetaldehyde. Now we can take an aromatic compound C6H5COCl. C6H5COCl. This is called benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride, which on reduction, that means addition of hydrogen in presence of palladium and barium sulfate. Reduction reaction takes place and hydrogen is added and we will get C6H5COH, that means C6H5CHO plus HCl. So here this is actually benzaldehyde. So when benzoyl chloride is taken, benzaldehyde will be formed. So these are all examples of Rosenmundt reduction. This is actually the preparation of aldehyde. So it is from acid chloride or acyl chloride. So this is the first reaction and this is an important named reaction. Let's see another reaction, that is from cyanides or nitriles. That is the second method for the preparation of aldehydes. That is also a named reaction. We will see that. So second method for the preparation of aldehyde, that is from cyanides or we can say nitriles. Both are same. So cyanides or nitriles. This is also a reduction reaction and this reduction reaction is called Stephen's reduction. So it is from cyanides or nitriles. So we can write the general equation RCN. So this is cyanide. Here the reducing agent in this case is stannous chloride and HCl. So the reducing agent in Stephens reduction is stannous chloride and HCl, which will produce nascent hydrogen. So addition of hydrogen, that is reduction. In this case, hydrogen is produced from, or nascent hydrogen is produced from the reagent stannous chloride SnCl2 and HCl. So this reagent will produce nascent hydrogen. In the first step, it will give an intermediate compound that is called RCH double bond NH. So this is the first compound or the intermediate compound. This is generally called imine. So when cyanide on reduction gives the corresponding imine. So hydrogen is added here and the corresponding imine is formed at first, which on hydrolysis we will get the corresponding. So oxygen is attached here and H2 will be attached here. So we will get the corresponding aldehyde. So RCHO plus NH3 will be the byproduct. So this is also a method for the preparation of aldehyde. This is also a reduction reaction. This reaction is called a Stephens reduction, where the reducing agent is SnCl2 and HCl. This is a reducing agent and this will produce nascent hydrogen. At first, cyanide is converted to the corresponding imine, which on hydrolysis gives the corresponding aldehyde. Now let us write an example. CH3CN. So CH3CN is methyl cyanide. So that is actually the common name. The IUPAC name is, actually two carbon atoms are there, so it will be ethane nitrile. Ethane nitrile is the IUPAC name. So this ethane nitrile on reduction in presence of stannous chloride and HCl, it produces the corresponding imine, which on hydrolysis gives the corresponding aldehyde. So CH3CHO will be produced in this case. That means ethane nitrile is converted to ethanol. So ethane nitrile, that is IUPAC name of CH3CN. So ethane nitrile on reduction gives ethanol. So that is another example for Stephens reduction. So the same procedure will happen if we are using another reducing agent, that is actually diisobutyl aluminium hydride. So this is another reducing agent where the same reaction happens, but the reducing agent is different. That is the only difference. So if you are taking CH3CN, so this may be the first type. Second type is if CH3CN reacts with dibal, that is diisobutyl aluminium hydride. That is another reducing agent, which will also give the corresponding imine at first. At first it produces the imine, which on hydrolysis produces the corresponding aldehyde. So the same procedure happens in this case also, but the reducing agent is different. But the first one is Stephens reduction. Here the reducing agent is stannous chloride and HCl. So these are reduction reactions. In the first case, in Rosenman reduction, H2PD BaSO4, that is a reagent that is from acid chloride. So second one is from cyanides or nitriles, that is called a Stephens reduction, where the reducing agent is stannous chloride and HCl, which is a type of reaction. That means it's a reduction reaction. In the second case, we can use another reducing agent. So the same procedure will happen, but the reducing agent that is different, that is dibal. So simply we can say dibal. So this is diisobutyl aluminium hydride. So this is a reducing agent which also gives aldehyde, the corresponding aldehyde from cyanides or nitriles. So these are the two named reactions used for the preparation of aldehydes. Two more named reactions are there that we will see in the next class.